Hello everyone, I'm back with another video after a very long time. I had my final exam, so I really could not make video then, but then I'll try to be consistent from now on, and I'll be uploading maybe a video once in 2 days or something like that. But then right now, let's solve this question. So we've not dealt with questions like this in the past, and this is a little bit different as we have two different terms containing the variable multiplying each other. So for this, we'll have to try and bring them in addition form. So for that, what we do is change them into partial fraction. 3x plus 5 is equal to a over 2x plus 3 plus, we want the addition sign so that we can separate them, 3x plus 5. This is just a supposition, so let's say let. So now what we can do, or let's forget this. So one very important thing is that there can be different cases for questions like this. So there may be case where the power of the denominator is smaller than that of the numerator, or the numerator might have only odd power and the denominator might have only even power or something like that. So in other videos I'll be talking about all those cases, but to start off, let's do a pretty simple question. So what we'll do now is cross multiply. So this whole term multiplies this thing present in the right hand side. So 2x is equal to a 3x plus 5 plus b 2x plus 3. I hope you know what I'm doing here. So once this goes over here, this 2x gets cancelled with this, and this 3x plus 5 gets cancelled over here. So we are left with 2x plus 3. So now let's multiply this with this, and then this with this, and same for this. So 2x is equal to a times 3x plus 5a plus b times 2x plus 3b. So I hope you know that we can equate the coefficient of the same variable of the same power in the right hand side as well as the left hand side. So that's exactly what we will do right now. So the coefficient of x in the left hand side is 2, and that in the right hand side is 3a and 2b. So 2 is equal to 3a plus 2b. This is one equation, and I hope you know that x to the power 0 is equal to 1. Anything to the power 0 is equal to 1. So the coefficient of x to the power 0, that is 1, in the right hand side in the left hand side is 0. We can write 2x as 2x plus 0 into x to the power 0. So that way we get 1. 1 times 0 is 0. This remains. So let's do that. So 0 is equal to, so 5a is the coefficient for x to the power 0 over here, and 3b again. So 5a plus 3b. Yes, I apologize if the noise of the plane is disturbing you, but then let's focus on this question. So let's try and solve these two equations. So let's say into 5 into 3. So that way what we will have is 10 is equal to 15a plus 6b, 10b, 0 is equal to 15a plus 9b, minus, let's subtract them. I hope you are seeing whatever is written over here, or else I can write it over here as well. This cancels this. 10 is equal to 10b minus 9b is b. So yes, therefore b is equal to 10. So let's replace the value of b in the first equation. So we'll get 20. 2 minus 20 upon 3 is equal to a. So 2 minus 20 would be minus 18. Minus 18 upon 3 would be minus 6. So therefore a is equal to minus 6. Yes, now shall we move to the other side? Yes, everything's right over here, so let's go over there. So the question gets changed into, let's write the question once again. We had supposed the question to be this plus over 3x plus 5. So the value of a is minus 6. So minus 6 over 2x plus 3 plus b is 10. So 10 over 3x plus 5. So this is the revised form of the original question, and we've brought it with a addition sign. So that way we can just separate them into different integrals. So now let's just integrate them. So integration minus 6, it's a constant, so it comes outside. 1 over 2x plus 3 plus 10 is again another, some errors, 3x plus 5 plus, what I missed here is a dx. So now it's a simple question. So that is minus 6, anything that, let's say 1 upon 2x, the integration is ln 2x plus 3 plus 10 times ln 3x plus 5 plus c. Is this the correct answer? No, this is not. So we have to divide this term by the coefficient of x, that is 2, and then again this term, whole term, by the coefficient of x again, so it is 3. So this is not the final solution. We can reduce it. Minus 3 ln 2x plus 3 plus 10 upon 3 ln 3x plus 5 plus c. Yes, this is now the final answer to the question that we're solving. We changed the question to this form, and we got to know that the value of a is minus 6, the value of b is 10, and then it was just simple integration. So I hope you learned how to do this, and hope to see you in my next videos. Thank you.